Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Learning how to exit a game on the PlayStation 2 is very simple. This classic console does not have a home button like modern systems. You must use the physical buttons on the machine itself. The most common way to quit is by pressing the reset button. This button is located on the front of the console. It is small and round. Pressing it once will restart the system. This takes you back to the main startup screen. If you want to stop playing entirely, hold the power button. You need to hold it for a few seconds. The light will turn from green to red. This means the console is off. You can also press the eject button. This opens the disc tray. The game will stop running immediately. You can then take the disc out safely. Some games allow a soft reset using the controller. You hold down the L1, L2, R1, R2, select, and start buttons all at once. This returns you to the game title screen. It does not work for every single game. Very few games have a quit option in the pause menu. Usually, you just turn the power off. Always remember to save your progress first. The PS2 uses memory cards for saving data. If you do not save, you will lose your data. Exiting is fast once you know where the buttons are. It is a very reliable piece of hardware. Make sure the red light is on before you unplug it. This prevents damage to your system. Now you know how to exit any game on your PS2.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.